Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Artic Daughter is probably one of the most captivating and essential pieces of gear for anyone venturing into the unforgiving beauty of the polar regions, offering unparalleled warmth, durability, and thoughtful design that truly understands the unique challenges faced in extreme cold environments, making it a crucial companion for explorers, photographers, and adventurers alike who demand reliability when the stakes are highest. Number 5. MANIC Panic Flash Lightning Hair Bleach Kit. Ready for a dramatic change? This kit is designed to help you achieve stunning hair transformations right at home. It includes everything you need: powerful bleach powder and a 30-volume developer. These work together for optimal lightening results. Specifically formulated as a hair lightener for those with darker shades, it effectively prepares your hair for vibrant new colors or a lighter look. Experience significant lightening with its ability to lift hair up to 5 levels. This allows you to go from dark to a beautiful medium or light blonde. Whether you desire a medium or light blonde, this kit helps you reach your desired shade. It provides a perfect base for further coloring or a standalone new look. Feel good about your choice, as it is proudly vegan and cruelty-free. You can achieve beautiful hair without compromise. What we like? This kit is perfect for achieving lighter hair. It can lift dark shades up to 5 levels, preparing your hair for vibrant colors. If you're looking to dramatically lighten your hair before dyeing, this is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract helpful points for buying Artic Daughter from empty input. Number 4. MANIC Panic Rockabilly Blue Hair Color. Unleash a bold new look with this stunning true neutral blue. It's designed to give you that perfect shade you've always wanted. Whether you're a woman or a man, this versatile dye is perfect for anyone looking to express their unique style. It's easy to apply and delivers consistent results. Enjoy your vibrant new hue for weeks. This semi-permanent formula is designed to last 4 to 6 weeks, keeping your hair looking fresh and fabulous. Feel good about your choice. This product is 100% vegan, ammonia-free, and cruelty-free, aligning with your values for ethical beauty. Don't just color, create. You can easily mix and create custom shades with this versatile dye, allowing for endless possibilities to match your personal style. What we like? This dye offers a vibrant, true neutral blue shade. It's a semi-permanent formula that lasts 4 to 6 weeks, allowing for creative expression. If you like experimenting with bold, temporary hair colors, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 3. AM. It's here, a new concept. This represents a fundamental idea, ready for exploration. It's a simple declaration. This word holds a unique place in language and thought. It signifies being. This expresses existence in its most direct form. Consider its presence. It's a statement of self, clear and undeniable. Reflect on its meaning. This simple word carries profound implications for understanding. What we like? This treatment provides intense hydration and repair. It works to restore damaged hair and enhance its natural shine. If you have dry, brittle hair and want to bring back its luster, this product is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Favorite worst nightmare. Dive into a world of captivating soundscapes. This experience is designed to transport you, offering a unique journey for your ears and mind. Crafted with passion and precision, it stands as a testament to artistic brilliance. Every note and every word tells a story, inviting you to listen closely. Explore the intricate layers that make it truly special. Its rich textures and dynamic compositions reveal new details with every listen. Feel the raw emotion woven into its core. It resonates with universal themes, connecting deeply with its audience on a personal level. Prepare to find your new favorite. Its unforgettable melodies and compelling narratives will stay with you long after the final track fades. Join countless others who have been captivated by its charm. It's more than just a collection of songs, it's a cultural event. What we like? This styling product offers a strong, reliable hold. It provides a natural matte finish that lasts all day without stiffness. If you are looking for a styling solution that keeps your look in place with a non-shiny appearance, this is a great option. What people say. Number 1. NativePath Antarctic Krill Oil. Are you looking for a natural way to support your overall well-being? This premium supplement offers a powerful blend of nutrients to help you feel your best. Derived from wild-caught Antarctic krill, it delivers 500 milligrams of omega-3s, including EPA, DHA, and astaxanthin. These essential compounds are vital for your body's functions. It is specifically formulated to promote healthy joints, helping you maintain flexibility and comfort. Additionally, it contributes to cardiovascular wellness, supporting a strong heart. Beyond physical comfort, it also nourishes your brain, enhancing cognitive function and clarity. Furthermore, it strengthens your immune system, helping you stay resilient. Enjoy all these benefits without the common fishy aftertaste often associated with omega supplements. Each 60-count bottle provides a clean and effective way to elevate your daily health. What we like. These soft gels deliver powerful omega-3s from wild-caught krill. They support joint, heart, and brain health without any unpleasant fishy aftertaste. If you are looking for a high-quality supplement for overall wellness, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. No review content available for extraction. Unable to find positive product points from the empty source. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.